Academy, and the list goes on and on. Gifts and Decor, Grow Younger, SARS India, Sindhu Darshan, PPL. Wow, so much love has been showered upon us by all you wonderful people, and we join our hands and express our gratitude for allowing us to put up this wonderful, wonderful program for you. Ladies and gentlemen, the Wow Sindhi Awards. This event is the brainchild of Shobha M. Arya, who has been conducting events for the past 15 years. However, this event is special. This is a fundraising event supporting various social causes, unity in diversity, planting trees, education and employment of unprivileged children, supporting the seniors with their health medicines, and much, much more. Ladies and gentlemen, WOW is happy to collaborate with SAGE Foundation and Global Dialogue Foundation to expand their vision. WOW intends to take this forward with your kind support. Shobha Arya is absolutely unstoppable and is a strong one-woman army. So a humble request to shower your love and support in helping us achieve our vision and mission. You can contribute whatever best suits your pocket. So, ladies and gentlemen, without much ado, let me welcome the person of the hour, the queen of digital entertainment, Shobha M. Arya. Yeah, Shobha, you'll have to unmute yourself.
Atma Namaste to one and all present here. I, the soul, salute the divinity in you. Ladies and gentlemen, what a great day and what a great evening. Today is Friendship Day. Today is Dada Sadhu Aswani's birthday. And I feel blessed to have chosen this day for this event. I am grateful for the opportunity to welcome you tonight. The WOW core values of excellence, innovation, collaboration, and creativity are the foundation of our commitment to help us grow individually, personally, and professionally. Let's enjoy the event tonight. Let us congratulate the iconic personalities of our Sindhi community. Those being honored here today are doing inspirational work for sustainable development in their communities, and also the non-Sindhis who have been a great support to this event. Let us give thanks to all those who have made this occasion possible for me today. This event is in collaboration with SAGE Foundation and is a fundraiser where we are funding for the education and empowerment of the underprivileged children. Thank you, Mrs. Maya Shahani, for allowing WOW to be the channel for this wonderful cause. My deepest gratitude to two pillars of mine, Pradeep Gidwani and Mala Mansukhani, for this event, without whom this would not have been possible. We will soon hear from them their journey with WOW. We all three have had our journey from November 2019 to make this a huge success. And finally, we have arrived today in front of you being successful. Thanks to everybody present here. Besides these, there are many others who have supported this event as well. And from the bottom of my heart, I thank them all for their kind support and love. I would like to give a special mention to Mr. Burzin Barucha, a Parsi gentleman, a philanthropist, who came forward to support this event wholeheartedly. He is a true believer and believes a lot in power of giving and has proved a true example of unity in diversity. Thank you, Burzin, for your kind support. He's a man behind the curtain and does things on the quiet. So he is not present here today, but we do all have his blessings and good wishes with us. And I would like to thank Miss Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani for your time today to grace this occasion as our chief guest. Thank you so much, Mr. Hiranandani. I am really blessed and honored to have you with us. So, without taking much time, over to you, Umesh, to continue this Wow Sindhi grand affair. Simran and Umesh, over to you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shobha, for that heartfelt gratitude that you have just expressed to each and everyone who have supported. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's not waste any time. I'm going to introduce to you a man everybody loves. He is also the winner of our first award, Wedding Planner par Excellence. He is taking the stage as a man you all know too well. Some of you know him as a top notch travel agent, others as an ace wedding planner. He's a board member of several organizations who has helped his broad reach and global network to help the Sindhi community and provide many social services, including the one and the only person right now welcoming Pradeep Gidwani.
Everyone, I'm Pradeep Gidwani, an NRI wedding planner and exporter by profession. I definitely need to tell you that I have had a wonderful journey with Shobha Aryaji for putting this event together. We have had our challenges but have taken all of it as a learning experience to move ahead forward. I really appreciate Shobha for showing me a direction to events with all her expertise. She always believes that in giving, you receive, and learning through her experience has brought me a lot of insights. Thank you, Shobha ji. You are awesome, and we appreciate your honesty, hard work, and sincere efforts. Let me also announce to you that I am now the official ambassador for Wow Digital and Media and Entertainment, and we are looking to give events a new outlook in new normal. Thank you, everyone. Let's all together say a wow for wow. Hello, everyone. I'm Pradeep Gidwani. I'm a wedding planner by profession and an exporter of wedding accessories to NRIs. Today, I am here on the WOW platform receiving this prestigious WOW Sindhi Iconic Award. I really would like to thank Mrs. Shobha Arya, who has not only chosen me to be the core team member, but also has recognized my work with this beautiful trophy. In spite of these crucial times of COVID-19, Mrs. Shobha has really taken efforts with all her challenges to ensure that by conducting this event, she brings smiles and happiness and radiates her goodness to others. Thank you, Mrs. Shobha, and continue doing this excellent work. And don't forget, we are always there with you. Thank you.
Thank you very much for your kind words, Pradeep Gidwani, and it makes us feel completely wow already. Ladies and gentlemen, and now we have with us the author and the fitness icon. Please allow me to introduce Mala Mansukhani ji, the renowned fashion designer, philanthropist, and the founder and author of Grow Younger. After starting an amazing range of outfits that thrived at her designer boutique, Mala went from designing women's clothing to designing women's lives by starting the Grow Younger group. Well, I must say that she's really made all the lovely ladies around her feel young with her great fitness and health tips. Before I say anything further, let me tell you, looking at her, you'll just feel she's all in her 20s along with the beautiful group, right from walking the ramps and running marathons at the age of 60. She's authored a book called Grow Younger, which explains her outlook towards life and her outlook for women over the age of 50. She is complete woman of substance. May we please congratulate and welcome Mala Mansukhani.
Hi,